In this specific video, you're going to learn how to create a search engine friendly XML sitemap. Now, the reason why you will want to have a search engine friendly XML sitemap is because if Google comes to your site and they see the sitemap, the XML sitemap will tell Google, Yahoo, and any other search engine what your site is all about, what its layout is, everything in it, and so forth, so it can understand your site better. And in order to create a sitemap is very easy. All you need to do is install a specific plugin called the Google XML Sitemap. So hop on over to the plugins section, click on Add New, and do a search for the Google XML Sitemap. Click on Search Plugins, and the plugin that we're looking for in particular is the one by Arne Brackhold. And if we click on Install Now, click on OK, and of course we're going to go ahead and install this specific plugin. And now I'm just going to walk you through the configuration setup. So if I go under Settings and I click on the XML-sitemap, you'll see the configuration settings here. Now, currently you get a message here that says your blog is currently blocking search engines. And that's correct. I've set it whereas it's blocking search engines because I'm currently adding content. Only until the point of time where I've added enough content and I'm satisfied that I want to release it to the search engines. At that point in time, I can go to privacy settings and change that. But for now, what I'm going to do is just show you how to set up a XML sitemap. Now, in order for this to work, as you can see at the top, it says the sitemap was not built yet. Click here to build it for the first time. Now, before we do that, I'm going to go through the basic options and then we're going to build the sitemap. So step number one is, of course, to go through here, and we're going to look through here. Most of these I'm just going to leave it default. And what this will do is after it creates an XML sitemap, it'll notify Google, it'll notify Bing, it'll notify ask.com and of the updates of your blog. And I'm going to leave everything as it is. And here's this right here says sitemap content. WordPress standard content includes the home page, includes the posts, includes the static pages. And if you want to create a sitemap of your categories, your archives, your author pages, and your tag pages, and so forth, you can also do that. You can also exclude specific categories, but in this blog here, I only have one category. You can change the frequencies in terms of XML sitemap creation and notifying the search engines. You can change this information here, but I'm going to leave this as it is and go ahead and click on Update Options. And now at the very top, you'll notice that it says there was a problem writing your sitemap file. Make sure the file exists and is writable. So in order to fix this, we need to go to the FTP program here, and we need to locate the root directory of where the WordPress files are located. Now, if you've installed the WordPress files in your root directory, then you'll need to change the file permissions for public_HTML, htdocs, or http docs. In this case, I installed the WordPress files in the Funny T-shirts 2. So I'm going to right click that, click on File Permissions, and change this to 777. I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to go back over here. And this link here, it says if you change something on your server, you should build the sitemap manually. So if I click on this link here, you'll notice that it says your sitemap was built on July 12th, 2012, 4 a.m. today. So we have successfully set this up. We've got Google was successfully notified, Bing was successfully notified. However, there was a problem notifying ask.com. So the beauty of this plugin is it'll tell you if there's an error, and it'll tell you how to fix that specific error. And once you've set it up and you're ready to unblock the search engines and notify the search engines, if you click visit the private settings and you change to this here and click on save changes, this will notify the search engines that you are ready to be indexed. And that's it.